In this video, we're going to explore PHP Superglobals, focusing on the $_files array. This array is essential for handling file uploads and ensuring that your file handling is robust with proper validation techniques. So, what exactly is $_files? It is a PHP Superglobal array. This array contains information about files that are uploaded through HTML forms. The data in this array is automatically populated when a user uploads files to your server. To properly utilize the $_files array, your HTML form needs to be set up correctly. First, the form method should be set to post. Second, the enctype attribute must be set to multipart/form data. This tells the browser that the form is going to be sending files. Inside the form, you'll need an input element with the type attribute set to file and a name attribute, such as upload. Finally, include a submit button to allow the user to upload the file. Let's take a look at the structure of the $_files array. When a file is uploaded via a form with the input name upload, PHP populates the $_files array with information about that file. The $_files and then square bracket upload and then closing square bracket array contains several keys: name, which holds the original file name; type, which specifies the MIME type of the file; size, which indicates the file size in bytes; temp name, which provides the temporary path to the uploaded file on the server; and error, which stores any upload error codes. Here is a basic example of how to access the information stored in the $_files array. First, you should check if the file has been uploaded using the asset function. If the file has been uploaded, you can assign the $_files array value to a variable. Then, to process the file, you can access its various array keys like name. As shown, you can print the name of the file. Before processing an uploaded file, it's crucial to check for any upload errors. The $_files array includes an error key that stores an error code, if any occurred during the upload. By checking if the value of $_files upload error is equal to the constant upload _urr OK, you can determine whether the file was uploaded successfully. If the file was uploaded successfully, then you can process the file. Otherwise, if there was an error, an appropriate error message can be displayed. Validating the uploaded file is important for security reasons. This helps to ensure that users are only uploading acceptable files. You can check the file size and type. Here's how. First, set a maximum file size in bytes and an array of allowed MIME types. Then, verify that the file size is within the allowed limit and that the file type is in the array of allowed types. If either of these checks fail, terminate the script with an error message. After you validate that the file was uploaded without errors, the next step is to move the file from its temporary location to a permanent directory. To do this, first, specify the directory where you want to save the uploaded files. Then, extract the file name from the $_files array. Construct the full path to the destination using the upload directory and the file name. Finally, use the move uploaded file function to move the file from its temporary location to its permanent location. This function returns a Boolean value, indicating whether the operation was successful. You can then use this value to output the appropriate message. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.